Oh, this is a slamming ghost infestation right here. I couldn't even speak English. What's up, Cosmonauts? It's your boy Cosmo, and welcome back to Luigi's Mansion 3. Without further ado, let's do this. Alright guys, I'm gonna play on 5-floor mode, and I've already joined the team. We got Zangelo, Foreign already left, and Luigi'S. With all these weird names that I'm encountering, I really hope that this is gonna be a very cooperative team. Here we go. Floor number 1. Capture the ghosts. Okay, I'm blue Luigi. My Luigi's rocking blue this time. I like blue. Blue is my favorite color. Okay, let's all get him. Teamwork. Come on, guys. Teamwork. We got this. Oh, we both slam into our ghosts into the same direction. Okay, get these guys first. I'm gonna save my ghosts for last, and by my ghosts I mean me. Just look at them; they're built like twigs. Very surprised that if you slam them against the floor, they form a huge earthquake. Oh, wait, what? Did I miss one? How the fuck am I missing one? Wow, I thought there was only 2 of you, but there's 3? No, there's 1. There's 2. No. There's 3. Oh, I'm too quick for you. Oh, you missed. I got that Matrix style. I saw him swinging. I saw his swing coming in. He's got the moves like Jagger. He saw it coming. Where we at right now? 11 ghosts. Supposed to get 23. Okay, we're doing pretty good. So much pizza. Has Mario been in here? Oh, I'll help you with these guys. Oh, raid. Yeah, you want to touch me again? Go ahead, see what happens. I dare you. I double dog dare you to touch me again. Oh, that's what happens. Yo, come on, sir. Tell me, what did you learn? Huh? What did you learn? What did you learn not to do again? Hope you learned a valuable lesson, sir. We just gotta wait for our team captain to come our way. So, assuming if they make it on time. I know, I'm not wearing a watch. Get triggered. Okay, sure, let's all go in the same room. 2 little monkeys jumping up. Oh, this is a gangbang. Good thing I'm not outnumbered this time. Oh, this is a slamming ghost infestation right here. I couldn't even speak English. Okay, let me help you. Okay, he's not. I'm gonna get him from above. There we go. We got him. Oh, this is an earthquake waiting to happen. Oh, okay, I was gonna say, are all 3 of us grabbing him at the same time? Pause. Okay, we don't even gotta grab him this time. All we have to do is suck him up. Pause again. This is one of my favorites. You guys already know. Collect the money. Well, since I'm already starting in the janitor's room, might as well take all of his overnight earnings. Wait, this isn't all of his overnight earnings. This is all his 401k plan right here that he saved up. But sorry, my guy, I've yet to start on my 401k plan, and that's when I start right now. Since I'm in his closet. Hold this thing. I can smell a gold ghost in here. Whoops. God. Push A. Maybe I should get the blue ghost first. Yeah, I'll get the blue ghost first, and then I'll get the gold ones. So if I get the gold ones first, the blue ones are gonna knock me out. They got backup in here. Wait, where did the gold ones go? This is not good. I can't find the gold ones anywhere. Maybe I should have got the gold ones first. Okay, you get him, and I'll get him. You get the other guy. 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought he was gonna die at 3. There we go. Teamwork. I told you, teamwork. Oh, Jesus, 3 birds, 1 stone now. Oh, that wasn't me. Dang it. Okay, this went from 0 to 100 real quick. Better hurry, we don't have much time. We're only halfway there. Oh, I thought it was gonna be another ghost, but I guess something's better than nothing. Yes, we got a clock. Okay, you get him, and I'll get the other. I'll get his brother. Oh, where do you think you're going? You're not going out this door. Just because you see a door doesn't mean you're gonna go in there. Oh, let's open this. I got it. Okay, you guys get him, and I'll get the gold ghost. Okay, I got both of them. I did 2 birds, 1 stone again. I did it once, and I can do it again. Okay, you two are lucky that I didn't get you. Y'all would have been dead meat.
Egg time! Eggman!
Is it me or did Luigi just say hammer time? So far so good, we're now on floor number 3 and capture the ghosts again. Oh look, it's the Martha Stewart ghost. I caught Martha Stewart's ghost right in here. How is she doing in this game? Let me get all of her little maid friends. Alright, 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 5 fell down and went inside this vacuum cleaner. Oh, you missed. I saw you were about to swing. Don't think that I don't have eyes behind my back. Oh, there goes Mr. Coca-Cola. Mr. Soda Machine. Oh, there's 2 of them. Oh, shit. Okay, now I'm fucked. I can't. There's only 2 of them and 1 of me. These guys are monsters compared to me. There we go, a little ghost on ghost action. And y'all both got big booties, so why not have at it, right? You're lucky you didn't get another slamming. Excuse me, where do you think you're going? Let me see if I can try and suck you up without slamming you. Boom! I didn't even have to slam him. Let's see if I can do it again. Okay, the number's dropping really fast, so it's working. Oh, you're not gonna bring out your little friends this time? Oh, you got your big man right there. Is he meant to be your bodyguard? Because if he is, he's really failing at his job. Yeah, we'll both get him. Wow, the sound waves when 2 people slam him are really strong. Okay, we got 2 more ghosts, so... Oh, surprisingly we actually made it. I thought that would be the end of us. Look, we're doing so good. And I'm not trying to flex, but look at that. Almost 10,000 points. Weird flex, but okay. Okay, well, we're doing awesome. We're almost at floor 5. You're not gonna go anywhere except for this vacuum cleaner. You're gonna go exactly where you belong. Vacuum hell. Okay, I'm digging this 2 birds, 1 stone thing. Right inside the TV. I don't know if you guys remember, but I'm pretty sure I did complete the 10 floor mode in a stream once, which I didn't expect, and I've yet to do a 20 floor mode, the 20 floor mode. You guys let me know if you want me to stream me playing Scare Scraper, the 20 floor mode. So many tongue twisters. 10 floor mode, 5 floor mode, 20 floor mode. But yeah, you guys let me know if you want me to stream the 20 floor mode on Scare Scraper. And if you guys want that, I would be happy to do so. And maybe you guys can even help me complete all 20 floors. You know? Only with one slam. Yeah, don't use the flash. Because he got that lampshade on him. We don't even gotta slam him. Because we're both sucking him up.
Whoa, yeah.
Oh, all the rest of them are here, aren't they? They gotta be. Yep, here we go again with the ghost slamming infestation. Okay, you got the last kill. Oh shit, we need one more. Okay, you got him. Okay, looks like I underestimated my teammates a little bit too much. Guys, here we go. The 5th and final floor. Now we get to find Bulosis. Bulosis. We meet again, huh? It's been a while. Haven't seen you since October. Oh, bitch, stay in the middle. Stay in the middle. Don't let his nasty slobbery tongue touch us. We don't know where that thing's been. It's probably full of AIDS, Ebola, and coronavirus for all we know. Luigi. Okay, just so you guys know, my left Joy-Con has a mind of its own. It will go up when it wants to, yet when I don't need to. Okay, get him. Oh shit. Alright, this is where we gotta slam the boos. Slam as many boos to the floor as much as we can. Okay, since it's all three of us, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be harder. And the more boos that we suck up, the smaller Bulosis gets. Just so you guys know. In case you guys don't know how Scare Scraper goes. Oh, he's gonna pull a Jaws now. He's pulling a Jaws. Okay, we keep crashing into each other. I think it's best if we all just split up. Because if we all... Yep, you see? If we all run in the same direction, he's gonna chase all of us. And if we were all to split up, he wouldn't know who to get. Okay, watch out for his coronavirus infected tongue. This shit is so slobbery that you're gonna need sandpaper for that shit. Alright, boo slamming number 2. Got my first boo. Oh shit. Come on, get that one. I got it. Oh look, there's only 3 left, and there's only 3 of us. So that means one more slamming on Bulosis, and he's gone. Oh! Okay, that wasn't fast enough. I really thought I was gonna run away in time, but it's okay. Oh, come on. We bump into each other and we get affected by the sound waves. No, it looks like my teammates just want to keep running into me. Oh, I need me some hearts. Give me some of that shit. No, give me more. I needed more. Ah! Okay, we keep running into each other again. Alright, here we go. The moment of truth. We're actually gonna do this on video. Okay, let me get one. And you out of here. Alright guys, I think my work here is done. This is only the beginning of a new series on my channel, and yet I've already completed the 5-floor mode. Alright guys, that's all I have for tonight. Until next time, please like, subscribe, and before I go, you guys let me know. Don't forget, you guys let me know if you want me to stream Scarescraper 20-floor mode on a live stream at some point. If you want me to, just put in Luigi, just comment Luigi's Hammer Time if you want me to live stream 20-floor mode at some point. But I'm gonna get up here for real this time. Please like, subscribe, and peace.